Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. Yesterday only we have completed this lesson, means division lesson. Now today we will study what? Exercise. Three examples are given. 3 or 4 examples are given from each question number. So only one example I will explain. Remaining you have to complete that one. For example, exercise first question: divide a. Inside given 44,000. Find is the number. How to get 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000. 44,275 divided by what? 7. This is dividend and this one is divisor. So solution. Here we will get quotient, answer. Answer means quotient, and here remainder. So now we have to say the table of 7. 7 in 7 table we are getting 4. Not possible. So 7. Which number getting near to 44? 7 in 7 table we are not getting 44. But nearest number 42. 7 6 are 42. So right here 42. Now do minus. 4 minus 2. 2, 4 minus 4, 0. Now what we have to take this 2 down. Now nearest to in 7 table 22 getting, not getting, but 21 is there, isn't it? 7 3s are 21. So right here 7 3s are 21. Then do minus. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 2, 0. Now take this 7 down. Which number getting near to 17? 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 7 2s are 14. Now 7 minus 4, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Now what we have to take? 5. Now what we have to take here? 5. Now which number getting nearest to 35? 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are what? 35. So 35 minus 35, remainder is what? 0. So your quotient is 6,325. This is quotient, this is dividend, this is divisor, and 0 is remainder. So just we have to divide that. So 6,325. In this way you have to do B and C example. So note down this one. Now second example from exercise, find the quotient and what it is given, remainder. We have to find both quotient as well as remainder and verify. Verify means check. We have to check your answer using division rule. Division rule is there. So at first here given 23,857 divided by what? 9. Inside number is called dividend, outside divisor. First to divide. Which number in the 9 table we are getting 2? Not possible. So take 2 number 23. Which number getting there nearer to 23? 9 3s are 27, not possible. So 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are what? 18. Now 3 minus 8 possible. Can we subtract 8 from 3? Not. So cut this 3 and write 3 as it is. Borrow 1 from here, 13. And before 2, 1. Now 13 minus 8, which number? 5, isn't it? And 1 minus 1, 0. Now take next number, 8. Now nearest to in 9 table getting 58? Not. So 9 6 are. Now 9 6 are what? 54. Now 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Now take next number 5. Okay, 9 5s are 45. 45 आता है 9 की टेबल में. Next number what left now? Last number 7. In 9 table we are not getting 7. That's why 9 zeros are 0. Now 7 minus 0, 7. So quotient is, what is quotient? Quotient equal to 2,650 and remainder equal to remainder, what it is given, remainder getting there 7. Quotient also find it, we have find it here quotient as well as what? Remainder. Now and verify. Here also again given quotient, verify means we have to verify our answer. Verification means checking. Verification. What is that rule for verification? Dividend. Formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus what? Remainder. Plus what? Remainder. This formula you have to buy it. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now what it is given? Dividend. Dividend means सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा था? ये 23,857 equal to divisor. What is that divisor? 9 into quotient. What we got? 2,650. 2,650 plus remainder. What it is given? 7. Okay. Now to left hand side given this number 23,857 and on the right hand side 9 into 2,650 plus 7. So we have to solve this one. Left hand side as it is 23,857 equal to, now 9 into 2,650. So 2,000 650 into 9. At first do multiply this number, these two number. Okay. 9 zeros are 0. 9 5s are 45. 45 5 carry 4. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4 58. 58 again 8 carry 5. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5. 18 plus 5 23. So 23,850 here. 23,850 plus 7 plus what we have to do 7. 23,857 equal to, now do addition. 23,850 plus 7. Lastly what we will get? Do here. Look. 23,850, isn't it? Plus 7. Plus 7 last number. So 0 plus 7 7, as it is number 5 8 3 2. 23,857. 23,857. Now what we are getting, left hand side and right hand side same or different number? 23857. 23857 means same number we are getting. Therefore left hand side equal to what? Right hand side. Hence what? Verified. For 3 mark question you may get such type of question. So at first you divide and do write this division rule and find the answer. Hence verified or hence check. So in this way you have to write the answer. So understood? Rough always do on the side. So not on this one. Third example, look at what will be the quotient and remainder. 23,456 is divided by 10. Here directly we have to write the answer. Now here 23,456 divided by which number? 10. So now in 10 how many 0? 1. So underline here one number. Now this number is called what? Remainder, and remaining numbers are called what? Quotient. So quotient equal to quotient. Here 1 0, so one number we have only. If 2 0 is there, then we have to underline 2 number. If 3 zeros present, 1000, then we have to underline 3 zeros. 3 numbers from the right side. So quotient is what? 2345. Quotient equal to 2345, and remainder is what? Which number we have underline here? 6. So remainder is 6. So understood? So note down this. Now next, fourth example, you have to complete that one. Simple example, what is given? 40,035 pencils are to be packed equally in 17 packets. How many pencils must be packed in each packet? Total number of pencils given here 40,035 and number of packets given 17. What we have to find? Number of pencils packed in each packet, means in one packet how many pencils are getting there. So you have to divide. So try to solve that one. Fourth one, try to write that in sentence also. Now fifth one I will explain. 1,87,234. This example, fifth example. 1,87,000. This is 6-digit number. How to read? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10 lakh. 1,87,234 eggs are to be packed in trays with 20 eggs in each tray. How many complete trays can be packed? How many eggs will be left behind? यानी टोटल नंबर ऑफ एक्स मतलब अंडे इतने देखे हैं टोटल, और ये अंडों को कहाँ पैक करना है हमें? ट्रेज में. ट्रे में रखने सेफ रहते हैं उसमें अंडे. ठीक है. विथ 20 eggs in each tray. कम से कम एक ट्रे में कितने अंडे जाना चाहिए? वहां रखना है हमें 20. तो इतने टोटल eggs है, तो ये इतने eggs के लिए कितने ट्रेज लगेंगे? हाउ मेनी कंप्लीट ट्रेज कैन बी पैक्ड? टोटल नंबर ऑफ eggs कितना है? 1,87,234 eggs पैक करने को ट्रेज कितने लगेंगे वो फाइंड करना है पहले. एंड सेकंड थिंग, हाउ मेनी eggs विल बी लेफ्ट बिहाइंड, और कितने अंडे बचे रहते. तो इसको क्या करना है? इन दोनों नंबर का क्या करना पड़ेगा हमें? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? डिवाइड ओनली. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? टोटल नंबर ऑफ eggs 1,87,234 गिवन. सेकंड सेंटेंस, व्हाट इज इट? 20 eggs पैक्ड इन ईच ट्रे, मीन्स नंबर ऑफ eggs packed in one tray, each मतलब 1 equal to 20. That also given. What we have to find? How many? But in place of how many we have to write number of complete trays can be packed, as well as number of eggs will be left behind. Both things we have to find. Two questions are here. यहाँ पर क्या लिखना है? How many complete यहाँ पे आएगा, जो डिवाइड करने के बाद क्वोशिएंट वाला आंसर यहाँ लिखना है, और ये इसमें क्या लिखना है? How many left यानी क्या? रिमाइंडर. जो रिमाइंडर आ रहा है वो लिखना है यहाँ पर. तो यहाँ पर अभी हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. Number of complete trays can be packed and number of eggs are left behind equal to 1,87,234 divided by what? Divided by what? 20. You should know the table now of 20. 20 table easy only. 20 के टेबल में 1 आता कि नहीं आता, 18 आता कि वो भी नहीं आता, लेकिन 187 3 डिजिट नंबर आ सकता उसमें. 2 9s are 18. Okay, direct table. 2 9s are 18 means 90. 2 into 20 into 9. 9 2s are 18. 180. 20 into 9 means 180. बराबर है इसमें. Now set 7 minus 0 0 or 7 7. 8 minus 8 0. 1 minus 1 0. Now what we have to take? Down 2. 72 के पास कौन सा नंबर आएगा 20 के टेबल में? 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60. Isn't it? 24s are 80 आता. So 23s are 60. Now do minus. 2 minus 0 2. 7 minus 6 1. अब क्या लेना है नीचे, क्योंकि 20 के टेबल में 12 नहीं आता तो ये नंबर लेने का नीचे. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3. 123 के पास कौन सा आएगा बताओ 20 के टेबल में? 2 6 are 12. हाँ 6. 20 into 6. 6 0s are 0, 2 6 are 12. 120. 120. अब क्या करना है इनका फिर से माइनस. 3 minus 0 3. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. Last number which left now here 4. So take that 4 also down. 34 के पास कौन सा आएगा इसमें? 22s are 40 बड़ा होता है तो फिर 21s are 20. अब कर रहा है माइनस. 4 minus 0 4. 3 minus 2 1. यानी कितने ट्रेज में अंडे पैक हो जाएंगे इसमें? क्वेश्चन क्या है? 9,361 यानी 1,87,234 एग्स के लिए ये कंप्लीट ट्रेज आ रहे 9,361. और कितने एग्स बच रहे हैं उसमें? बैलेंस लेफ्ट है 40. तो यहाँ पर लिखना है हेंस 9,361 complete trays can be packed. And how many eggs are left? 14. And 14 number of eggs left behind. 14 eggs left behind otherwise. Understood? So note down this one. Now homework. Textbook page number 289. Open that. Exercise 1 to 5. Already one example I solved. Divide first example. एक करके दिया ए का बी सी करना है आपको. सेकंड में भी फर्स्ट करके दिया डी और सी करना है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन में भी एक करके दिया बी सी करना है आपको. फोर्थ वाला क्वेश्चन आपको वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में करना है. फिफ्थ का करके दिया मैंने. ठीक है, इसी ढंग से ये बाकी के एग्जांपल्स उसमें सॉल्व करो. रिमेनिंग एग्जांपल मीन्स मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, टू ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी विल स्टडी टुमारो.